video, we are going to learn how to transfer data from PDF to Excel. So if you have Excel data in a PDF format, then you can transfer the data into Excel without typing each and every row and column. So for that, you need to click on data, and then you need to click on get data from files. In from files, you need to click on from PDF. So I want to transfer this data. So I have selected it, and then you need to click on import. So you will get this page. Here you need to click on table 001 page 1. So this is how your data will be represented in Excel format. Then you need to click on load. See, the PDF data is converted into Excel. So I will show you the PDF file as well. This is the PDF file I have converted. So we cannot copy paste from PDF file. So we can convert the Excel data using this way. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel PYT.